Hello, horse. Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it. Joe! Now the stable is clean.
Now we can go horse riding.
Wait, the horse needs a bed.
My first delivery. Wait here.
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know. Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?